Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Pierce Family Wellness. We're finishing our month on Instagram on forward head posture, so we're going to bring you one final exercise to help improve your spine so you can improve your life. And don't forget to like and subscribe on this video so that you can keep seeing more awesome content. If you want to be one of the first people to see it, don't forget to hit the notification bell. So what are we doing today?
Today we're going to do the isometric wall lean.
Okay, and why are we doing that for forward head posture?
This is going to help us integrate. Most of our exercises have been isolative. This is going to help us integrate our head with the rest of our spine. We're going to begin the exercise by having your feet 6 to 8 inches away from the wall, your head, mid-back, and butt on the wall. You want to keep your feet about hip-width apart. From there, when you inhale, you're going to try to articulate each vertebrae all the way up your spine until a majority of the weight is in your head. On the exhale, you're going to roll back down your spine. If you want to do it for a mobility exercise, you simply follow that pattern of inhaling as you extend yourself off of the wall and exhaling as you roll back onto the wall. If you're looking for strength or endurance, we're going to hold the posture where we're off of the wall up to 90 seconds.